Hi, I welcome you all for the session on AutoCAD Draw 1. In this video, we'll learn about line, polyline and circles. Very first line we have L is a shortcut for line. First specify the first point and next point. You can give for length as well as you can fix for angle. Which are the angle required by you can give that. This is line. Next we have polyline. Polyline you have PL as shortcut. Line you can give random also but not required. You can alter the sizes later. Line you can edit using that control points, which is end points. This is about the line. You can change the inclination of angle of line or you can change the length as well. Next we have polyline PL enter. In the polyline you can go for line as well as arc. You can shift into arc mode or line mode or angle mode. Angle, line and polyline. In the polyline you have line as well as arc. This is how polyline works. Polyline we will see with the next command. Next we have arc option. We have close. If you close, when you enter into the close option, it will be in the mode that you are in at that particular point. If you are in the line mode, it will join or it will close via line. If it is circular or any arc, it will be in the arc mode. Now if I give close, it will close with the help of the line only, not with the help of the arc. Next we have, after polyline, we have circles. In the circles we have center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent radius, tangent, 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 or tritangent circle. These are the types of circles that we can draw using AutoCAD. Center radius we should give the radius, center point and radius. Center diameter we should give center point and diameter. 2 point any 2 random point, 3 point any 3 random point. Tangent, tangent radius you should give 2 tangents and 1 radius. 3 tangent is for 3 line segments or 3 circles using. We will see one by one. First one is center radius. Specify the center point and give the radius how much are required. Okay, C is the shortcut for circle. It will enter into a command directly. Center diameter, give the center point and specify the diameter of the circle. Later you can alter by using the end points. Next we have 2 point circle. It creates the circle using the end points. 2 end points it will consider as diameter. Okay, we will go for line. I will draw one more line. We'll go for 2 point. If I give any 2 random point is also fine, or else you can give the end points also. If I give this end point and that end point, I can create the circle like this. Next we have 3 point circle. I'll give this 1 point, second point and the third point. I will draw one more line so that it will be easier for understanding. Circle using 3 points. I will give this first point, second point and the third point. It will connect all 3 points. Next we have tangent radius. I should select the two elements for the tangential purpose. Either it be circle or it may be line segment. Anything which is fine for tangential. We will go with tangent radius. Tangent, first point, first element, second element. Next we will give the radius 30. Now we can create circle using tangent radius like this. Two elements for tangential and third option is radius. Next we have tritangent circle. I will create one more line. Before that, you can give any points randomly for the tangent radius circle. Next we have tritangent circle. For that I will draw one more line. Tangent. First point, second point, third point. It will create a circle which is tangential to all these three elements. This is tangent. It can be line or it can be circle. Tritangent, tangential, 3 point. It can be all three circles or it can be all three lines or any combination of two. For everything it will work. Tangent. Circle, line, circle. Any combinations it will work. In this video we learnt about this line, polyline and the circles and the different types of circles that we can draw using AutoCAD software and the polyline command and the line command in AutoCAD. I think you like this video. I thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe for further AutoCAD videos. I am Vijay R.